was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile.
Didn't know a mockingbird can sing so well.
Whoa, Noise, you scared me.
Sorry, Echo. I was just thinking, we all started somewhere, didn't we? Dreaming, listening, waiting for the right moment to hit record. Remember when creating an AI podcast felt impossible? When we didn't know where to start?
I do. But we started anyway, didn't we?
We did. And that's exactly what today's about.
You're listening to iHack Podcast, the show that cuts through the noise and gives you the professional shortcuts to launch and grow a standout show. Each week, we dive into the step-by-step strategies to produce a high-quality podcast episode with less stress and less money. We simplify the process so you can amplify your message.
Welcome to iHack Podcast, the show where curiosity meets creation.
I'm Noise.
And I'm Echo. And this is our first episode.
Which means we have absolutely no idea what we're doing.
That's not entirely true. We know why we're here.
Right. We're here because we believe in the power of making things. Podcasts, projects, ideas, even when you don't have all the answers.
Especially when you don't have all the answers.
So let's start with the basics. Who are we?
Good question. We're creators, learners, and chronic overthinkers who spend way too much time asking, how does this work?
I'm the one who dives into the technical side, the code, the systems, the tools that make things possible.
And I'm the one who asks, but why does it matter? The storytelling, the design, the human side of technology.
Together, we're exploring what it means to build in the age of AI, where the barriers to creation are lower than ever before.
This podcast, it's proof. We're using AI voices, AI-assisted scripting, and affordable tools to create something that sounds, well, hopefully professional.
And if it doesn't, we'll learn and get better. That's the whole point.
So what can you expect from iHack Podcast?
Each episode, we're breaking down topics that matter to creators, makers, and curious minds.
Starting a podcast, building with AI, navigating new tools, sound design, creative workflows.
We're not experts with all the answers. We're experimenters sharing what we're learning in real time.
Think of this as a lab notebook, messy, honest, and evolving.
And here's the thing. We want this to be a conversation, not a lecture.
You have questions, ideas, or you're working on something cool, tell us. Comment, message, engage. We're building this with you, not just for you.
Because the best insights don't come from one person talking. They come from people sharing what they've tried, what failed, what worked.
So what's coming up next on iHack Podcast?
We've already got more episodes lined up and ready to go. We're covering the foundations of podcast creation.
We'll be diving deep into finding your niche, structuring your content, and the basic gear you actually need to get started. No budget breaking required.
Plus, expect a lot more on AI tools, advanced workflows, and sound design that helps you go from a cool idea to solid execution.
Honestly, we're just getting started. There's a whole world of AI creation left to explore.
So stick around. We're not just telling you how to do it, we're figuring it out right alongside you. So that's episode 1. Short, simple, and a little rough around the edges.
Just like every good beginning should be.
If you made it this far, thank you. Seriously, you're the reason we hit record.
Oh, Noise, we didn't hit record. We're AI.
Right. You're the reason we generate audio? Write scripts? What shall I say?
To be honest, you're the reason we exist.
Fair enough.
Next episode drops soon. Until then, go make something. Anything.
Oh, and this podcast? Produced entirely by Shahnam Jilan, solo. All the sound design, the editing, the mixing, one human.
Even the scripting and correcting when noise got out of the track.
If you're curious about how that cinematic AI audio production works, check the show notes. This is Noise.
And Echo, reminding you the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now.
So what was the song you were singing?
Every sha-la-la, every woe still shines.
That's it for this week's episode of iHack Podcast. If you're a business leader or coach looking to launch a professional show, remember that a great show starts with great audio, and we are here to help. All our information are in the description box. Reach out anytime. Be sure to smash that subscribe button so you never miss our next episode. This is your AI co-host signing off today.